Time to make a vlog. I'm here at Art with a Heart today, and I'm sort of kind of working on newsletters, printing, ink issues, not printing, being an idiot, forgetting to put the paper back properly. It's been a morning. Been sick this week, so my vlogs have been a little bit, I don't even want to go there, but let's go there anyway. So I got the first vlog uploaded. Great, perfect, done. I'm sitting happy. Dates are all correct, everything's perfect. Yeah, didn't happen. Found a piece that I had to re-edit, so I had to delete that one. Actually, my sister found it. I was supposed to take that piece out and didn't. Then the second vlog, which was the 6th. Well, I put it down as the 8th, so I had to change the date. Got it all exported and rendered. Put the wrong date in it. Go back in, change the date, blah, blah, blah. Off I go. Then, the one for the 8th, the real 8th, not the 6th, which I had as the 8th, now won't export out of Final Cut. So I do the main edit in Adobe, bring it back into Final Cut where my end slate is. By frame 2015, it will not export. So I'm screwed again. Am I screwed? No. I export the end slate, pop it back into Adobe, edit everything in. The transition I want is not there for the, we call it the lower third, the graphics. So I have to change that for one vlog. And so that's what happened there. Then I finally get them all uploaded. They are now up and running as we speak. Oh, excuse me. So, I've been sick with the flu. I've had to re-edit my vlogs. Some of them 3 times because I'm just a moron when I'm sick. And I've had to organize my files. Like, I got so much backups to be done. I got papers to print. I got all sorts of stuff to just get done. So you might be wondering, why are you doing a vlog when you should be working? Well, very simple. I need a break. While it's printing, I can sit down and I can just, wait for it. 25 sheets, flip it, do the other side 25 times, then do 25 new ones. So until all 250 are printed. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've got the whole entire office to myself, which you would have seen in an earlier vlog regarding Art with a Heart and going to the doctors. It's called Have a Heart. I think it's vlog 535, I think. I've lost track of my vlogs. I upload it and then I go, what number am I on again? So, been working on that. I'm looking at some new branding stuff. I'm looking at a new website. There's a lot of projects on the go that need to be done and done. So, I'm looking at that, and then I'm looking at the possibility of merging all my channels. Okay, now, we're talking about merging channels. And when we talk about merging channels, iJustine's talking about it, the Fine Brothers are doing it. Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. So here's what I'm thinking, and I need your help. I seriously need your help for this. Do I take all my channels, MJ Seabolt, MJ Seabolt 2, MJ Seabolt 3, Toba Cat, Dykstra Adventures, and Matthew Dykstra CA, and merge them all into one channel? Or do I keep the videos now where they are, some of which have been moved 2 or 3 times, and not put anything else on them and just focus on the main channel, MJ Seabolt, where all my vlog stuff is. Vlogging is not enough, the lazy vlogs, the 3 or 4 year series that I've been doing since 2010, things like that. Should I just merge them? Should I merge all the quickies? Should I merge, you name it? Now, that's what I'm thinking, but I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I take my lead, and this may sound a little uncreative, but I take my lead from what others are doing, and then I make it my own. What is Toby doing? What is IJ doing? What is Olga doing? What is Nikki Philippi doing? What is Caters doing? And so on and so on and so on. So I take my lead from them. Now I'm thinking that a good idea would be to just merge everything into one channel, which makes it easier to work with, because everything I have is under MJ Siebel. Instagram, Twitter, Flickr, Vine, Vidi, you name it. They're all MJ Siebel. If you find anything under Matthew Dykstra, that's me personally. My YouTube stuff is all MJ Siebel. So I don't know yet what I want to do. I'm still debating. I'm still kind of thing, you know, like what am I going to do? Am I going to this? Am I going to that? And so I'm kind of waiting to see what the trend is, so to speak. Because in the early days of YouTube, the trend was, okay, you had a vlog channel, you had an iPhone channel. Sometimes your vlog and iPhone channel were the same channel. You had a main channel where you put all your kind of more polished, edited videos. And so that's where I stand. So, now, I need your help in deciding what I should do. Should I split them? Should I merge them? What should I do? You let me know. And that is really everything on my plate today and what's been going on this week. So you have a great weekend, and we'll catch you on the flip side.